Hello, welcome to the demo of a rock, paper, scissors online multiplayer game. This game has been built using Firebase as a backend database and jQuery, CSS, and HTML for the front end pages to work. So let me just take you to the game straight away. So like you see, there's a Firebase database to record the data. Okay, this screen will let users to join the game. So as you see, I have a user who joined. Now let me open another session where another user can join. So you see both users have joined, right? Now this user would be allowed to pick his opponent. So let me choose the other player. Let me actually open one more session where a third user can join the game. So you see, as soon as I come in, I already see who have already joined, and I have a third user who has joined the game. Now I go back to my first tab here, and then so you see these two players, the game is in progress, and they move on to a different page, right? Now this user can take a pick. So he has made a pick, and now he's waiting for the other player to pick. Notice that the other player is not able to see what his opponent has picked. So let me pick this one, which means I picked scissors and the opponent player had picked paper, which means I won the game. I won the round. So it is shown by a star. Now we move on to the next round after a few seconds. This time I pick and let him pick this, which means this player won the game this time, right? So now it is 1-1. Keep in mind there is no specific order in which they have to pick. Any player can pick at any time. So this time I'm going to pick again scissors and make him pick scissors, which means I won 2 rounds here. Right? So he picks rock and I pick paper, which means I won. So once I hit 3 wins, the game is over, and it goes back to the next. Goes back to the home page, right? So if you see the other tab, this player also has come back to the other tab, and it shows that I have won a game. Now let's go to the third player. So the third player is Sandra. Now Sandra can pick to choose against Aaryan. So let's see how that goes. So if you see Sandra and Aaryan, and now the game is starting, right? So if you go to the Internet Explorer tab, again it's the same game here. So Aaryan picked paper, Sandra picked rock, which means Aaryan won the round. Now Sandra picked paper, Aaryan picked scissors, again Aaryan won the round. Now let's see how a tie happens. So paper, paper, this is a tie. So Sandra picked paper, scissors, and I picked rock. So now Aaryan has won this round, right? So you see after 3 seconds, Aaryan's score went up to 1, and Sandra is still 0, right? Now let's see how our database looks. So there are 3 players. All 3 are available to play the next round. Uni and Aaryan have won 1 game each, right? Now let's look at the games. So this game was close. This was the first game. It went 3 rounds, basically. Uni won 3 and Aaryan won 1. So that was the 3 round. Now this one also went to 3 rounds because 1 was a tie. Right, so this one was a tie where it is paper and paper. So that is pretty much how the game works. There are a few tweaks that needs to be made, like message choices, allowing a player to leave the game, showing their availability status, etc., which I'll update in the next upcoming versions. Thank you.